Fortuna, it's located in a rainforest. So Fortuna has a rainforest. Then next for you, it's Monteverde, which is a cloud forest. And then I guess you head into the beach. That makes the country super, super diverse because everywhere you go, you can see a different climate and a different landscape and different stuff. Around here, around this little river, most of these trees are like the shape of them. It's like a little tunnel or a little crossing thing. So animals, they can go from one side of the river to the other one and travel up or down. So we love to call this place a gallery forest.
That's a
smiling?
good camera, is it?
It is.
What is it, an iPhone?
No?
What is it?
Huawei.
Huawei
P30 Pro. Yeah. Muy bien. So, this beautiful animals, this is the one we're going to find only here in Monteverde in this area. The two-toed sloth, they are very hairy. They are about, let's say, 60% of body and 40% of hair. The hair is the only thing that they use just to be really well camouflaged up there on the top. They're active at nighttime, the sloths, and they don't go so fast, you know. And also they sleep a lot. They can sleep from 15, probably 18 hours a day. But how this creature is just surviving for a long time if it is so slow? Very smart. Let's say the digestion period, they are going to eat mainly leaves. One leaf from here, and also to this area, probably it will last a month of digestion, which is a lot. That's why they just come once a week to the ground, just to do poop. Yeah. But when they, just imagine they right here, they just go down to the ground, they just do poop in this area. They are going to climb up, and they just move to another side.
Once how often? Once a month.
2 hours. Once a week.
Once a week.
They just go pooping. Yeah. But let's say the predators of these animals who see the poop right there, maybe they're going to think, oh, the sloth is right here, but not. The sloth is in the other area, really comfortable without moving.
Smart.
That's how they have been surviving for a long time, thanks to that. So the sloths also 95% of their lifetime they're just spending like this. They need so very extra arms. What happens if you guys do like this?
Oh, it hurts.
5 minutes and that's it, you get tired. It's because we don't have an extra bone on our neck. The sloths has that extra bone. Same families of armadillos in the same family of the eaters. So that's why they really need the extra bone just to have strong arms to be hanging up there. In the two-toed sloths, we never know if it is a male or a female, only when they have babies. When they have only one baby each 3 years. Yeah. The period of pregnancy is 11 months and a half. Then the baby is going to be hanging in the chest of their mother for probably about 6 months. And the next 6 months, baby is going to be next to the mother, learning everything up there how to survive. Then mommy will say, bye-bye, see you never. And she's going to colonize another place. That's how it works.
So do they spend most of their time on their own?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
They are solitaires. Yeah. Solitos.
Venomous is something that has a mechanism to inject the poison, like a spider, a snake, so it is painful. And poisonous is something that is dangerous when you touch it, eat it, or breathe it, right? So these ones they don't bite, but they have cyanide. It can be quite deadly if I eat it, but if it's on my hand, it's okay. Also, I can know when they are releasing cyanide because it has a very particular smell. It smells like almonds. So if I smell that, I know I have to wash my hands afterwards. Okay.